This is a short tutorial on downloading assignment files in Moodle and having marked those files, how to upload files and provide feedback in Moodle. So it's basically two parts. You may have to hit this tutorial twice because you do one thing first and the other thing later, but they're all together right now. So first of all, if you're going to be downloading assignments, you're going to want to go to Assignments in the course menu block. And then in the row for the appropriate assignments, you can either go directly to the assignment or slip right over here where it says View a certain number of submitted assignments. So in the new page, you're going to see a row for every student that submitted an assignment, and you may have to scroll over with a scroll bar on the bottom to see everything. But first of all, we're just interested in the files that have been uploaded. So in this case, we have assignment 3, and we're going to download it to the computer. So if we're on a Windows machine, we do a right mouse click and then we select Save Target As. Or if we're on a Mac, we use Control plus the mouse click and then we select Save Link As. So once we've saved that, it's going to give us places to potentially save this to. And you find some place on your computer system that makes sense wherever you've got your folder set up for saving your assignments. So you've got your assignments downloaded. Now you're going to mark them offline in a word processor or whatever sort of software you're going to use to view them. You might be annotating the files directly using track changes or by putting in text in a different color, in which case you may want to upload those files back to the students as feedback. Or you might be making your own new files in a word processor that you'll want to upload to the students as feedback. So something to remember: if you are annotating the student files, you have to save them with a new file name. Hopefully something that indicates this is the marked version, so something like -marked on whatever the file name the students had originally. So if we finish marking, we're going to do the same steps again to get into the assignment. We'll select Assignments. We'll go back to the view that shows us these submitted assignments. Only this time we're going to want to scroll over to the links that allow us to then provide feedback. And those links are either going to say grade, or if you've already provided some feedback, they may say update. So if we select the grade link, and now we have a pop-up window, a new window that allows us to do a few things. First of all, we can put in a number up here in the grade box. We have a text box where we can put in some text feedback if we want. And we have a place where we can upload a file. So we select Browse, and then within our system we can go and look for the file that we want to upload. And we select Upload this file. Now, there's a few other things we could do. If we wanted to reset this assignment for the student, depending on how your assignment is configured, you could select this Revert to Draft button. And that clears out the, allows the student to delete that file and submit a new file. Alternatively, you also have a button that allows you to send notification emails. That means as soon as you save changes to this feedback you're providing to the student, it will send an email saying that there are some new information in the feedback. Be sure to check that all of your fields have all of the information in place before you select Save Changes. You have to select Save Changes to save the things that you've done in this little window. So now you'll see that this student status is changed to update, so you've already given them feedback once. The students that you haven't given any feedback for, it still says grade. So that's the basic steps for downloading an assignment in Moodle and for providing the feedback for that assignment once it's been marked. Remember, if you have any problems using this tool or any other tool in Moodle, you can always contact the online help desk, and the details for that will be found on your course site. Good luck.